Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax declaration. First, gather all your financial documents like W-2s and any Form 1099 you received. Next, determine your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Then, decide if you will take the standard deduction or itemize your specific expenses to reduce your taxable income. Understanding key forms is crucial. Your Form W-2 reports wages, while Form 1099 covers other income sources like freelance work. Beyond income, explore deductions such as student loan interest or medical expenses, which can lower your taxable income. Also, look into tax credits. These are particularly valuable as they directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. You have several options for filing. Many people choose to file electronically using popular tax software or by consulting a qualified tax professional for assistance. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can always mail a paper return. Regardless of your method, remember that the typical filing deadline is April 15th, so mark your calendar to avoid any late penalties. Before submitting, always take time to carefully review your entire tax declaration for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoiding future issues. If you owe taxes, ensure your payment is made by the deadline to prevent penalties. Finally, for those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.